Brooke with Stubbs and Bammer Luxury Group. I'm standing in front of our latest lease listing at 31291 East 9 Drive in Laguna, Niguel. Our East 9 condo features 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, and an oversized 2-space garage. As you enter the main dining room, you can see how large the space itself is. It connects to the 3 bedrooms and also leads out to the main patio area. So this is my absolute favorite part about this listing is the outdoor patio space. As you can see, it leads out to the El Niguel golf course. It also has plenty of space for a barbecue and entertaining. So this property is featured in the L9 community, and as you can see, there are walkways from one end to the other of L9 that give you easy access to the jacuzzi, pools, and the country club. So again, my name is Brooke with Stubbs and Bammer Luxury Group. If you do have any questions, please feel free to reach out. And again, thank you so much for watching.